was interesting because when we recorded, we actually had a person reading all of the sound effects, your notes, so
Oh,
that
okay.
Hayden would, so that, I mean, because he had the scripts too, but so that as he was going through, he could hear and then he would know to replace and then he
I
would cut.
heard once, so in an early draft,
Yep.
post-production, I thought it was you, maybe it was someone else saying like dog claws skitter across the ice. And I was like,
Yep.
oh, that's an error.
Yep.
And then
Yep.
he said,
Nope.
no, that's a placeholder. We're looking
Yep.
for the dog claws on ice. That's a
Yep.
little harder to find.
Right, exactly. Yep. No, we had a person do, Amanda was the one that did that. And it was really helpful because it also hearing it out loud kind of made it more in the moment for us too because we didn't
Oh, I
have any of
bet.
the sounds in the
Yeah.
theater, like we're doing our courses, we're or a recording, we're bouncing off each other's
Yeah.
facial expressions and things, but we don't have any of the actual sounds. So instead of
Mm.
just having to pause, Amanda's able to say exactly what's happening so that we can react then to those
That's so
our
interesting.
imagined versions of those sounds. Yeah.
Yeah. So you're using voices, but it's kind of a quiet setting in a way. And then you get the edited version and there's clocks and church bells and trains and frogs and there's so many sounds,
Yes,
none of which you're
absolutely.
hearing. So
Right. Nope. They're just all in our imagination.